welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be doing my weekly reset routine. So like cleaning, self-care, planning, basically all the things I do to kind of set myself up for a successful week. I've been like really in the habit of doing this. I feel like if I do skip this, I just feel so disorganized. It really helps me focus on being productive throughout the work week because I kind of do like all of my chores sort of on this day, all those random things, so I don't have to mess with it during the week. Personally, I like to do my reset routine on Saturdays. I like to wake up on Saturday mornings and just kind of do this whole reset routine, and then I feel like I can just kind of relax the rest of the weekend. I'll show you guys like a screenshot of my weekly reset list because there's like different categories. There's like 4 different steps. There's a lot of different steps within cleaning. This isn't really all of them. That is pretty much the plan. Let's just get into it. The first step is cleaning. I need to clean my kitchen, my bathroom, my room. We're gonna be starting off here, and the first thing I'm gonna do is wash my sheets. This is your reminder to stay hydrated. I'm gonna try to drink this whole thing while I'm cleaning. I'll link this below. This is from Amazon. It has like motivational time markings. I just got the mushroom lamp in the mail. I just ordered it online from Urban Outfitters, and I thought this would be a good time to unbox it because I kind of wanted to put it on my desk and replace this lamp. So One of the things I like to do is clear up this bench because it kind of accumulates random clutter throughout the week. I usually just have a bunch of packages. Right now I actually have Christmas gifts on here. I just sweeped the other day, so I'm gonna skip that step. Usually I will sweep my kitchen and my bathroom. But I also like to clean my car as part of my weekly reset. I don't do this every week, but sometimes it can get pretty messy. Like sometimes there will just be a lot of trash, a lot of sunglasses in there. Cleaning your car is a good thing to incorporate in your weekly reset routine. As you can see, there's just stuff everywhere. This probably doesn't look any different, but I feel like this is a little bit more organized. I cleaned this out, so I took out some breakfast bars in there, receipts, and I just kind of cleaned it out. I'm finally done cleaning. Next, I'm gonna do a digital declutter, kind of going through my camera roll on my phone, my email inbox, the downloads on my laptop, my desktop, all of that just gets like really cluttered. Also the notes on my phone, I'm always making like to-do lists each day and I never go through and delete them. So I kind of neglect this. That looks so much better and it's not so overwhelming when I open up my laptop, which is like 100 times a day. I also like to back up my devices, so my phone kind of does that automatically with iCloud. I also like to back up my laptop. There's really not much on my laptop because pretty much everything that's important I keep on an external drive, like everything I use to edit. I do have a few things on here. I try to do it every week, but sometimes it's more like once a month. The next step is getting organized, so like planning, running errands, kind of like doing all of those random things. I think I'm actually gonna go get a coffee though. I use a digital calendar, so I just kind of like to put in any like deadlines that I have and kind of just like schedule out like what I plan to do the following week. If you're in school, I feel like this is especially helpful. So kind of like be aware of any tests that you have coming up, homework, etc. Also just taking care of any like random things that you have in your to-do list, returns, like grocery shopping. Could I do a medium iced vanilla latte with cinnamon powder? Got my coffee. I just love coffee, so good. I feel like going for a drive, listening to music, sometimes with the windows down. It's just a nice little break, a nice little bit of me time. I definitely feel like it's essential in my weekly reset routine. I also kind of like to finish up anything that I have like work-wise. Like if I have a video going up on Monday, I like to kind of get that finished up as well. Get all the links done, thumbnail finished, anything like that. That way I can relax the rest of the weekend and I'm not like finishing that up. So if you have like any homework due Sunday night, getting all that finished up like during your like little reset time, and you don't have to worry about that. Try not to spend too much time on this. If you watch my vlogs, my videos, you've probably heard me talk about this, but I use a digital calendar. I literally just use the calendar app on my laptop, like the Apple calendar app. It syncs to my phone, which is really nice. I might make a separate video on this. Recently got this and I'm loving it. I just turned it on while I'm planning. And I feel like that's all kind of like the getting organized stuff that I have to do. There's not really anything else I can think of. I think I'm just gonna move on to the next step, which is self-care. Finally, it's time for some self-care. I definitely want to exfoliate all my fake tan off and redo it because it's just not, it's not looking good. I don't want to go into a new week with my fake tan looking like this. First, I'm gonna take all my makeup off and just like remove my makeup and do some skincare. Now I'm just gonna get in the shower and exfoliate all of my fake tan. Fake tan is removed. I just applied my fake tan. As you can see, it takes like a couple hours to develop and then you can rinse it off. I usually leave it on for like 6 to 8 hours. Usually just leave it on while I sleep and then rinse it off. Once I rinse it off, it won't be like quite this dark. It'll be a little bit less. I think that is everything for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely give it a big thumbs up. Comment below something you like to do each week to kind of prepare for the next week. Definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and this like motivated you to do like your own weekly reset. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.